Today we are going to discuss the Cambridge reading passage, early cinema. First 1 to 5 questions are to find out the paragraph from which the given statements have been taken. First statement is the location of the first cinema. It is given in paragraph A. The Lumiere brothers opened their Cinématographe at 14 Boulevard des Capucines in Paris. Next statement is how cinema came to focus on stories. It is mentioned in paragraph I, but what happened was that it became, overwhelmingly, a medium for telling stories. Originally, these were conceived as short stories.
Next statement is the speed with which cinema has changed. किस स्पीड के साथ सिनेमा चेंज हुआ? This statement is in paragraph J, and it has all happened so quickly. Almost unbelievably, it is a mere 100 years since that train arrived and the audience screamed and fled, convinced by the dangerous reality of what they saw, and perhaps, suddenly aware that the world could never be the same again. Next statement is how cinema teaches us about other cultures. सिनेमा हमें दूसरे कल्चर के बारे में सिखाता है. ये स्टेटमेंट आपको मिलेगी पैराग्राफ ए में. One effect of this realism was to educate the world about itself. For cinema makes the world smaller. Long before people traveled to America or anywhere else, they knew what other places looked like. They knew how other people worked and lived.
Next question is the attraction of actors in films. It is given in paragraph G. The star was another natural consequence of cinema.
The cinema star was effectively born in 1910. Film personalities have such an immediate presence that, inevitably, they become super real. Because we watch them so closely and because everybody in the world seems to know who they appear more real to us than we do ourselves. Next 6 to 9 questions are yes, no and not given. First question is, it is important to understand how the first audiences reacted to the cinema. First audiences ने सिनेमा को कैसे रिएक्ट किया, ये समझना जरूरी है. But it is worth trying for to understand the initial shock of those images is to understand the extraordinary power and magic of cinema, the unique, hypnotic quality that has made film the most dynamic effective art form of the 20th century. ये समझना जरूरी था ताकि हम सिनेमा की पावर को जान सकें. तो इसका आंसर yes होगा. Next 2 questions are not given. Last one is, storylines were important in very early cinema. बहुत पहले के सिनेमा में storylines important थी. Before the eyes of the stunned, thrilled audience, photographs came to life and moved across a flat screen. Next paragraph में भी बात हो रही है, initial shock of those images. तो images ही बहुत powerful थी, storylines की तब कोई ज़रूरत नहीं थी. तो इसका आंसर होगा no. Next 10 to 13 questions are multiple options. And we have to choose any one which is the correct answer. First question is, the writer refers to the film of the train in order to demonstrate. Its answer is B. The impact of early films. Writer train की film बताकर हमें early films का impact बताना चाहता है. One of the Lumiere brothers' earliest films was a 30-second piece which showed a section of a railway platform flooded with sunshine. A train appears and heads straight for the camera. And that is all that happens. Yet the Russian director Andrei Tarkovsky, one of the greatest of all film artists, described the film as a work of genius. As the train approached, wrote Tarkovsky, panic started in the theater, people jumped and ran away. That was the moment when cinema was born. The frightened audience could not accept that they were watching a mere picture. लोगों ने जब सिनेमा में ट्रेन आती देखी तो वो डरकर भागने लगे, उन्हें लगा कि ये रियल में है.
Next question is, in Tarkovsky's opinion, the attraction of the cinema is that it Tarkovsky का मानना है कि सिनेमा का attraction क्यों हुआ?
इसका आंसर है C. Illustrates the passing of time, time pass के लिए. For Tarkovsky, the key to that magic was the way in which cinema created a dynamic image of the real flow of events. A still picture could only imply the existence of time, while time in a novel passed at the whim of the reader. But in cinema, the real, objective flow of time was captured. तो सबसे अच्छा time cinema में ही pass होता है. Next question is, when cinema first began, people thought that, जब सिनेमा की शुरुआत हुई थी तब लोगों को ऐसा लगा कि, its answer is D. Its future was uncertain. लोगों को लगा कि इसका फ्यूचर निश्चित नहीं है. When the Lumiere brothers and other pioneers began showing off this new invention, it was by no means obvious how it would be used. All that mattered at first was the wonder of movement. Indeed, some said that, once this novelty had worn off, cinema would fade away. लोगों ने कहा कि एक बार जब इसका नयापन खो गया, तो सिनेमा भी फेड हो जाएगा. Next question is, what is the best title for this passage? टाइटल हमें कहीं पैराग्राफ में नहीं मिलेगा, जो हमने पूरे पैसेज में पढ़ा है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग हमें टाइटल चूज करना होता है. तो इसका आंसर होगा D, The Power of the Big Screen. I hope this video is beneficial to you. If yes, then please like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.